What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always a Boost, GT500, coming at you with another unboxing video, man. On today's video, as you can see in the description, I got a new set of lower control arms. Shout out to my boy Dion over at BMR Performance for sending me a new set of control arms, man. The reason why I'm changing the control arms is, if you saw my video at the track, I spoke about it. When I took off on the hard launch, I felt the car do like a hard left. From looking at the videos, talking to Dion and Chuck and everyone else in the team, the first option was to change my lower control arms. The control arms I have in the car right now are Steeda control arms, non-adjustable with bushings. Maybe the bushings are bad, who knows, but maybe the alignment spec wasn't tight enough because they're not adjustable. But shout out to Dion again. He go sent me these nice fresh BMR double adjustable control arms, and let's see what these bad boys look like, man. I'm excited. Who doesn't like getting new parts for their car, man? It's like Christmas. It's like a little kid in a candy store buying candy. Okay. Just tape off in here. Okay, just pry open. Check these bad boys out. I hear a lot of good things about BMR stuff. I mean, I have a lot of BMR stuff on the car now, just not the control arms. But here you got it. Got me hammertone black. Nice solid piece. Dion recommended me go with the spherical bearings, as you can see. I don't have to worry about changing bushings. I know a lot of guys are gonna say, oh, since you went that route, you can hear a little bit of noise. Maybe harder bumps or rush or whatever case may be. But at this point, I mean, I'm already to the limit on this car, so I hear a bunch of noises all the time, man. I'm not worried about that. As long as the car goes straight and gives me the good time I want and a good 60 foot, that's all I care about. I don't care about no damn noise. But yeah, man, these are a good solid piece, man. This is a good look for Dion, man. Looking me out, man. Sending these. He had to do this, man. But I know a lot of you guys have spoken to him. Any of the S197 guys, S550, all the Mustang guys. I'm sure you guys spoke to Dion once or twice about any suspension for your car. He was the man, and he is the man when it comes down to suspension and getting your car down the track. So yeah, I'm happy. Can't wait to put these on. Of course, you know what I'm bringing this to. Take my homie Sal over at Sal's Autoworks. We're gonna put these bad boys on. Get it to the specs that Dion wanted to be at, and back to the track we go once the clutch goes in the car. So the clutch, control arms, and we can hit the track again, man. So here we got it. I will put all the information for these control arms in the description below. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, support your boy, man. Look, man, I ain't trying to make content just to make content to get followers. I'm just making content to show you on my journey of this build. And my goal is to run the 9-second pass. I got the power. Now we just got to get it down the track to run the 9-second pass. And that's all, man. That's all. I'm just trying to be real. Just trying to show the guys that the struggles, you can't just have power and expect the car to go down the street or go down the track, and hit a great pass. Once you get the power, you got to worry about suspension. There's a lot of other things that goes into it. And I'm just trying to show you the struggles. A lot of guys will show you the struggles. I'm trying to show you the struggles of your boy. I was just trying to get a good pass out the car, and I'm like, something else going on. Where does it end? But sorry, man. That's what makes it fun, right? That's what makes it fun. So here we got it. BMR lower control arms, double adjustable, spherical bearings. I'll check you out in another video. Thank you for watching. Peace.